Great question. Is cleansing cream like a conditioner? Does it really get your hair clean? A cleansing cream, No-Suds shampoo is not a conditioner at all. It is a cleansing agent like skincare for your hair, similar to what Cetaphil is, or any Shimura cleansers that are not don't have detergents in them, that don't bubble, that don't lather, that don't suds. And why it's important for a No-Suds shampoo to have entered the market is because since the beginning of time, every shampoo that ever existed bubbles, lathers, or suds. And all they did when the beginning of the natural hair movement was replace or take the sulfates, which were in every shampoo that was also in dishwashing liquid, and they took them out and they replaced them with other sudsing agents, which if your hair suds up, it's a wrap for textures that are naturally dry, kinky, or curlier, or color treated, or relaxed. A No-Suds shampoo is simply a non-sudsing cream shampoo. It is not a cleansing conditioner. It's a shampoo that's applicable to your texture. It allows you to start the detangling process. The way I think of kinky or curlier textures as that they're fragile. They're like your favorite cashmere sweater. Not fragile in the sense that they can't go through and do a lot and be super versatile. They're fragile because you want to treat them like your favorite cashmere sweater. You've all heard me say in the past, treat your hair like your favorite cashmere sweater, like it's a fine fabric. You want it to look at all of that, so why don't you treat it that way? You know, the warmer season, vacation time are all good times to wear your hair in a wash and go style. And what comes into play is a No-Suds cream shampoo. It really does make your conditioning process that much more effective. What was happening in the past when you washed your hair with anything that bubbles, lathers, or suds was that the conditioner just made your hair feel not as crappy as it did when you rinsed out your shampoo. And that's just making your conditioner do double time. And no conditioner will ever fix what those shampoos stripped away from your hair. They're like putting rubbing alcohol on dry textures. So why do that to your hair? Why not clean it gently? Hopefully it's hair rules, because we've got the best. Allow the detangling process to happen while you wash it, so then your conditioner works that much more effectively, so that your curls are that much more popping, so that your coils are super defined, so that you can heat style without heat damage, because we're in New York, because it's your hair's ability through finding a regimen and products that are suitable to your texture to be versatile. And healthy hair means versatile hair. And manageable hair means hair that looks good without a lot of work. Right? Does that make sense? So I hope that, I'd love to go on a rant about things, but it's all relative to finding products that are now formulated and specific for your hair texture or your concerns about your hair, whether you're kinky, curly, wavy, color treated, or relaxed, or long hair, or coarse hair. All textures that can benefit from avoiding all shampoos that bubble, lather, and suds, and rethinking them as using them as treatments opposed to how you would use a product as a clarifying product. All shampoos that bubble, lather, and suds for textures that are naturally drier, kinky, or curlier, or relaxed, or long or color treated hair should be used as a treatment, not as an everyday shampoo. And what's unfortunate is that you have a lot of new brands popping up and talking about this customization of shampoos that bubble, lather, and suds. That makes no sense. They're just brands that are launching different shampoos that bubble, lather, and suds. And I just think it's confusing, and it's not for a lot of people. It's not for a lot of textures, and it complicates the facts. So good luck.